What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the very first Ultimate Razor build. This is going to be episode 1. I'm going to try to keep this video sweet and short, and today we're going to be basically stripping down the entire bike. We're going to take everything that's inside out of there. We're going to take the suspension off, the swing arm off, and the wheels, because really all we're going to be using is the base frame. I don't even know if we're going to be using the plastics yet. So this is going to take a little bit. I'm hopefully going to run a very fast time lapse, and then hopefully I'll be able to show you guys the painting part. But this is going to take a while, so let's just get right into it. We're finishing cutting off the battery tray that comes with these bikes. If you're gonna do a Razor build, this is a must-have, especially on the MX 500 and 650 models. And I did get this bike for only $50, so I was not expecting the greatest of quality, and I ended up having to sand down a lot of rust, especially around the battery tray. I also had a little bit of dirt inside the frame, but that was super easy to get out just by shaking the frame around. Happy with the amount of money I spent on this, because a lot of people end up spending over $200, sometimes even $300 just on the bike when they're only going to be using the frame. Once I finished sanding and getting the frame ready for paint, I wiped the bike down, got it clean, and I put tape on top and bottom of the front head tube. Now we are ready for paint. We're going to be using some black primer along with a couple coats of just black paint, and then in the end we're going to do a clear coat. Now that we're done with the primer, we're going to hit it with 2 coats of high gloss paint. This will stick beautifully to the frame and it'll look super nice. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm probably not going to end up using these plastics. I'm probably going to go with the CRF 110 plastics that Premium Torque offers. But anyway, I might use these for the early stages of the Razor build. Here, I'm unscrewing the plastics from the seat so I'm able to paint them and wash them off. If I do end up using these plastics, I'll buy a gut seat cover for it. But if not, I'll buy a gut seat cover for the CRF 110 plastics that Premium Torque offers. Now we're here painting them using the same primer and paint. If you're going to paint your plastics, do not sand them. It'll leave a whole bunch of scratches, and really for these ones there's no problem with the paint sticking to them. If you haven't seen the new CRF 110 plastics by Premium Torque, you have to go check them out. They are absolutely blowing up right now in the Razor world. If you like what you're seeing, I may have the opportunity to do a giveaway, so let me know down in the comments if you guys would like that. We're finally to the point where we're hitting the frame with the clear gaze. This is going to be the final touch, and I cannot wait to get started on this thing. If any of you guys are building your own Razor, I'm trying to make this series as informative and educational as possible. So don't expect the most entertaining videos. You can expect that after when the build is done, but I cannot wait to get started. Painting all done. Just like that, guys, we have the painting all done, the plastics are put away, and we painted those black as well. Super quick video for the first one. Make sure you go check the second one that's coming out very soon, and I'll see you there.
I've been riding, I've been rolling on this road for a long time. I've been out here getting on my own for a long time. How you supposed to get it in this world if you don't try? If you want the greatness, it's gonna take you a long time. Overnight, don't happen overnight. If we mean success, it takes some grinding oversight. Got about 10 years in it, can't fake that with photo likes. Better not waste no time, young Montana, that world is mine. I got it in my palm, call it young, yeah, young Don. This beat I slide on, new crown what I try on. This shoulder she cry on, call me bro, he a python. When I